We often hear that polyurethane is flammable. Yes, it is, and there's nothing we can do about that. It's an organic product, and all organic products will burn under certain circumstances. Well, we test in the US and Canada using what they call the Steiner tunnel. That's ASTM E84 or UL 723. It's called the Steiner tunnel. We prepare samples 24 feet long, 22 inches wide, and 4 inches thick in the case of spray foam. We bolt them to the ceiling of this tunnel, and we have a consistent burner, and we measure over a 10-minute time period the length of travel, distance down that tunnel that flame front will travel. And we make a nice chart. We calculate the area under the curve and all that, and we end up with a number. It's an arbitrary number between 1 and 100. 100, oddly enough, is the performance of red oak, a common building material. 0 is drywall, gypsum board, asbestos cement board, a common thermal barrier that we use to protect combustible insulations. So we have 0 and 100. Now the building code says that if you're a combustible insulation, your flame spread cannot be greater than 75. Okay, that's a little better than wood, less flammable than wood, but we use so much wood in construction. I don't want to get into that conversation. But the building code says 75. The industry at large, years ago, has decided amongst themselves that we will not put a spray foam into a residence with a flame spread greater than 25. Not 75, but 25. And that's great. That's an improvement, 3x in fact. Now, the most of the foams that you buy today, the flame spread is actually closer to 5, somewhere around 5 to 10, which is a lot closer to drywall than the other common building material wood at 100. So it's interesting to see that the spray foam industry is almost as combustible or as flammable as drywall, less so than red oak. To help you understand a little bit more about spray foam and to help you integrate it into your operation, I've created educational courses on my website at letstalkpur.com, or you can click on the link in the video description. I encourage you to check them out. I'll see you there.